So, ayan. Tapos na kami sa village. Gagawa kami ni Alec ng prosperity bowl.
Guys, I have 140.
So, sabi nila sa Feng Shui, dapat daw ceramic yung bowl. So, last year, what we did, hindi masyadong pang prosperity bowl. So,
Yeah,
ngayon,
'cause we're
gagawin namin proper. Ang problema, wala akong ampaw. So, nakabili ako ng envelope. Siguro okay na to kasi red naman siya. And I need 3. So, I have to put the 3 and 168 pesos. So, sabi nila sa Feng Shui, 168 pesos. Kailangan each envelope. So, kinalculate ko kasi ang euro to peso is 69. So, I need to put 2 euro and 50 cents. If it makes sense. Kasi 168 pesos daw. So, yun yung ilalagay ko dito, guys. And then, tawag dito, paper money. Ibibilot. So, syempre, dito, nasa Europe kami. Wala naman akong peso. Ito lagay namin with the blue ribbon. Tapos, itong gold coin. Eh, bakit gold coin? Eh, bakit may silver? Sabi ko, gold coin lang.
Wait, can't be cents.
Okay, I think that's okay. Tapos, 12 pieces of egg. And then, rice. So, we will start.
Can I
Start
unpack?
with the rice. Lagyan natin rice.
Can I feel how it feels?
Nako, wala tayong mandarin. Kailangan pala natin mandarin sa gitna. Okay.
And eggs?
And eggs. Yeah. Teka, pause muna natin. Ulit-ulit, lagay kami ng egg. So, lagay natin. Huwag masyadong baon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hindi kasi isang itlog na ko. Pagdikit-dikitin na lang natin sila. 12. Yan. Okay naman. 2,
This is like so easy.
3, 4, 5,
Ay! Mommy, is there a problem?
5,
6,
6,
7. 6, 7.
ay, dahan-dahan baka tumurit yung itlog.
Yeah, I'm trying my best.
Matapos, 7. Nakalimutan ko yung bulak. So,
Anong
after
bulak?
that,
What's bulak?
sabi nila 168 pesos yung lalagay. So, kinonvert ko sa euro, kailangan ko maglagay ng 2 euro and 50 cents. So, we put the money around, ha?
Yeah. Which way? This?
Ay,
or
pa ganun
this?
pa clockwise. O baka wala ka na ng space mamaya. So, one red envelope lang yung nilagay ko with 168 pesos. I mean, sa euro, it's 2 euro and 45 cents. And then, we have the 12 coin, 12 egg. Medyo maliit yung bowl namin kaso we have to improvise. Wala na kaming bowl. Ito lang yung pinakamalaki na ceramic. So, that's our prosperity bowl.
And put some coins. Unong kanyaban.
Kabanyan.
Kabanyan, Papa.
So, narinig nyo, marami na nagpa-fireworks dito. And this is how our prosperity bowl. And now we'll put it in the kitchen.
A few moments later.
Ayan, nag-apay na pala si Albert. Oh. So, mamaya, magba-barbecue kasi kami. So, I don't know, he's start the fire very early. Why you start very early, Han?
I feel cold and I just
Grabe, lakas na ng mga papatak. Wala pang midnight. So, sa Pilipinas, guys, 7 minutes na lang mag-New Year na. Dito sa Netherlands, 7 minutes to 5.
That means how many minutes here?
7 minutes sa Pilipinas.
But here.
Here, matagal pa, ano, pamaya pag 12. Ayun, hintay lang naman mag-12 para mag-rate namin sila. Hintay ko yung kapatid namin bunso. Basta lang, New Year na sa Pilipinas. Dito. Lalabas na si Papa. Ayun, naglolose sila. Nagpa-fountain. So, si Papa ko na doon kila Kuya. Ayan na sila. Ay, si Tito Ninong, may fireworks. Ganda ng fireworks, oh. So, 1 minute na lang. New Year na sa Pilipinas. It's 11:59. Ayun, ayun, may fountain.
Hey, Bugs Bunny, where's everyone?
Wala, nag-freeze. 12 o'clock na! Happy New Year!
Yay! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, ma! Happy New Year pa! Asa
Papa?
sila?
Grabe, that house looks so
Eh, 12 o'clock na. It's 12 o'clock na sa Philippines.
Happy New Year! Hey, then we must go back to the fire.
Ang dami! Ahan, check the fire. Nakalikasit ka muna dito. 100% yan. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Sabi niyo na ko si Papa.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Daddy Tabs!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, ma!
Happy New Year, Mama!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Mommy Tabs!
Sabi naman. Ayan, ganyan kami pa every New Year pag wala kami sa Pilipinas. Except this year, si mama ko. Si mama ko ay sa Pilipinas si Alec, tatay dito malon. Sila Ate Julia.
I have heels on, guys! I have heels on!
Sa Happy New Year ka kay Tita Ninang. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
A few moments later.
So it's 6 p.m. here. Actually, from morning, ang dami ng fireworks. So, I can't imagine mamayang 12 midnight kung paano ang fireworks dito. So, 3. How's the New Year in Osterwolde, Albert?
Yeah, it's the first time we experienced this.
Yeah, because the first year we're here, umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. Nasa Pilipinas kami. So, we did not really experience the New Year's Eve here in Osterwolde. Tapos, second year, last year, we was in Germany, in Meppen. So, this is our first time New Year here.
Germany is quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet.
It's
Although,
crazy.
they have fireworks 12 midnight, but not that much.
Not the whole evening.
Yeah. And now, December 29, 2 days ago or 3 days ago, we already experienced how Dutch people are crazy in the fireworks dito. So, 6:03 lang kung, ewan ko kung naririnig yung mga putukan. Animoy parang New Year's Eve na han. It's like a New Year's Eve already. And we're just sitting here making this bonfire. But after, kasi ang gagawin namin, pag naging charcoal na yan, is mag-iihaw kami ng barbecue, then we're gonna eat. Then we'll see later how is it 12 midnight. Si Alec nandun sa kwarto nanonood. Pero nandito siya sa video call pa din. Mamaya-maya magtutuhog na ako ng barbecue namin. This is actually we purchased in Dubai. It's a good purchase we did because it's a table. Tapos you can make fire in the middle. So pwede kang magluto, mag-barbecue, ganon. And it's nice. During summer, we use this one here, dito rin sa labas. Pag kumakain. And mamaya, we have yung small losses para kay Alec. Ayun si Alec. Lek! Kasi masyadong malamig dito guys sa labas. So we keep her muna doon. Nag-watch pa siya ng TV. Tapos maya maya papasok na. Nag-iihaw pala ako. The Tesla light show. Ito siya. So ito ang pang-ingay namin mamayang 12 midnight. Ganito pala yung light show dito. Kasi wala naman kaming fireworks eh. I don't know, you can hear all the noise of fireworks here and it's only almost 6:30 p.m. Medianoche. Habang kausap ko ang Hi guys ka naman. Hi guys ka naman. Yan ang pinsan ko sa Pilipinas. Yan yung mga pinsan ko sa Pilipinas. So sila naman yung ka-video call namin kasi tulog na si Papa. Hi guys ka naman guys. Hi guys ka naman Brad. Yan yung asawa ng pinsan ko.
Hi guys, naka-vlog yan.
So ayan yung lulutuin namin.
I think if you wait.
So ayan guys, ihaw na kami. Aray niya, lakas ng putok. Itong oras pa lang dito. Ano, tignan natin anong oras. 15 minutes to 8. Pero grabe na yung putok from 5 p.m. Kala mo may gera. So medyo nawala yung ano namin, yung baga. So nag-add kami ng charcoal. So kailangan namin mag-intay ng konti. Pero so far, okay. Barbecue namin. Cheers, Albert. Marami pang putukan dito. Usok. Salik na sa loob kasi usok. And kain na kami. What time is it now here?
No idea.
It's 8:05 p.m. Siyempre madilim na kasi nga. Winter. Grabe guys. 8 o'clock pa lang. Nagluluto ako ng shrimp. Last batch namin. Shrimp. Bakas na yung apoy. Yung baga, I mean. Aming medianoche guys. Hindi kami nagluto masyadong madami kasi medianoche. Kasi tatlo lang kaming kakain. We have our prosperity fruits. I don't know how you call it. Prosperity bowl. And we have our food. Little bit rice. And wine. Beer for Daddy Albert. Alec? How's it? Too much fireworks, no? And still fireworks is going on. Dire-diretso lang ang fireworks dito. Non-stop. Fireworks more. Non-stop. 9 p.m. Dire-diretso. Grabe. Fireworks more. Yee! Labas. Oh, look at that. Wow. Grabe naman ang fireworks dito, guys. Dami. Albert eating dessert.
He said like,
Halo-halo,
can I
leche
see
plan.
what's that? And then we're like,
And then,
it's leche
Joseph,
plan.
can I see what is that? It's leche plan. Like, enjoying her ice cream.
Oh, pistachio's nice.
Yeah, pistachio ice cream is nice.
My
This is
cookies
our
and
favorite
cream.
ice cream here.
No,
Hindi na ako
this is
nagluto ng
my
dessert kasi
favorite ice cream,
meron pa kami leche plan.
right?
Ulit. Hindi ko nakap.
We're eating ice cream in the cold water. Weird, right?
Not weird. It's 11 p.m. na dito sa Netherlands. Pumasok muna kami sa loob kasi malamig na talaga. Pinapanood muna namin ang, syempre, Burj Khalifa. Kahit wala na kami sa Dubai, every New Year's Eve, we still like to see kung ano yung bago nilang fireworks. Ang ganda ngayon. Meron pa silang mga ano dun sa tao sa tubig. May performance. Alec, what you doing?
I'm making a K-pop Demon Hunters school, and first I'm making the backpack. So guys, wait until I'm done.
Okay. So, we'll watch muna this one. And syempre, ang Dubai always, pag nag-fireworks talaga, spectacular. Tama ba, Han? Spectacular. Spectacular. Dahil na ako, In fairness, ang ganda ng nila. Meron pa silang pa-show na ganyan, So, we watch and then 12 midnight, we'll see how the fireworks. Guys, grabe. Ang fireworks dito sa Netherlands, non-stop. Magsasawa ka talagang manood ng mga fireworks. As in, wala silang hinto. Kanina, nung nagdi-dinner kami around 9 or 9:30 p.m., medyo tumahimik ng konti. Siguro nag-dinner na yung nag-break yung mga nagpa-fireworks, nag-kumain. And then after that few minutes, back na naman sila. Talagang magsasawa
So
ka
guys,
kakapanood.
I made a derpy face. I need to put it in my pencil case, guys. And I think I'm almost done. I need to make a makeup and then I can go to the food, guys. So, watch until the end.
So, papanoorin muna namin to. And then, waiting for 12 midnight. Now, it's 11:01.
Bro, what's the...
Nag-loses si Alec, yung maliit lang ba? Lucis! Alec! Naglo-loses si Alec ko. And it's Happy New Year, guys! It's 12 midnight here.
Whoa! Oh! Oh!
It's dark. Guys, dami. Happy New Year! It's dark. Everywhere,
Oh, I got
every side. Alec, jump! 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 It's not this time! Jump! Whoa! Okay, dami fireworks! Whoa! New Year now! Lahat ng side may fireworks. Kahit sa kami magpunta, Wow, look at that. My gosh. Woo. Grabe, grabe. Oh my God, look at that. Ah, grabe. fireworks. Kahit sa Dubai, normal, walang ganito sa Pilipinas. As in, kahit sa side, etong side na to, that side sa likod namin, eto sa side ko na to, dito sa harapan, dito parang mas bongga, dito din, ayun pa, grabe, kahit sa Kaluwigan dito, puro fireworks, para kang nasa Disney. It's 12:15 here, so it's 15 minutes now. This is non-stop, guys. Grabe, it's crazy. Buong paligid namin, puro fireworks. Kami lang yung walang fireworks. Look. Non-stop. Grabe, guys. I wonder how long this one will take non-stop like this. Kano sila katagal naman fireworks dito kasi it's been like 15 minutes now, maybe 16 minutes now. Yung iba, di ko na napagkaman ang haba. Before 12 pa actually, since 6 o'clock, the fireworks is non-stop. Okay, anak ko, inside. Look. Dubai is nothing. This is the longest fireworks here in the Netherlands, right? Oosterwolde is the longest fireworks. Wow. It's 12:21. Grabe, that's stop pa din. That's stop. Oh my God. Oh my God. So loud. Oh. Grabe guys. Hindi ako tumagal sa labas kahit si Alec. Ang sakit sa tenga. Alam mo yung feeling mo na ano, yung yun nga tama yung sabi nila sa kasabihan. Ewan ko sa ibang part ng Netherlands, pero dito sa amin, sa North, Friesland, sa Oosterwolde, para kang nasa war zone, non-stop. It's been, ano na, actually, nag-start pa lang sila, 6 o'clock pa nga lang, may mga fireworks na eh. So ngayon, ano na, 12:30, ewan ko kung naririnig nyo, ang dami pa rin pumuputok. At saka talaga yung sa taas.
Guys, tired na si Stitch.
Alam niyo yung walang sinabi ang Dubai. Ito na yata, it's the first time I witnessed the longest fireworks sa, ewan ko sa ibang lugar, pero kakaiba yung fireworks dito. As in non-stop, hindi yata nagpapahinga yung mga tao
Guys,
magpaputok.
even my dolls are like...
Kasi nakaganito kasi labig sa labas eh. Tapos medyo medyo umuulan pa ha. Take note. Umuulan pa. Kaya makita nyo, naka-hoodie ako kasi ang lamig. So, grabe, ang tindi. One of a kind. Like, how's your experience? First New Year dito sa Netherlands.
Good, actually. Real
You like
good.
it? You enjoy it?
A little bit boring, but it's still good. It's still good.
Boring with all these fireworks?
No, like earlier, I was just watching.
Kasi sabi ko sa'yo, dali ka doon sa labas eh.
But it's fine. Because like last time we have games in Philippines, right?
Oo nga, kasi sa Pilipinas may mga kasama kami.
That's
Dito
okay.
sila
It's
kami.
okay. It's still fun.
Pero it's fun, right?
Yeah.
Too much fireworks. Anyway, guys,
and
fighters.
guys, I make this and this, so it's
Pero grabe. One ng pagkain ang Netherlands sa fireworks. Alam mo yung paligid namin, as in literal yung paligid namin, non-stop ang fireworks. Ako kasi hindi ako fan ng fireworks eh. Walang ganon. At saka hindi mo na kailangan fireworks kasi ang dami ng fireworks, di ba? Manood ka na lang. At least, ano ka pa, iwas aksidente. Kasi dito marami rin talagang na-aksidente ng ganito. Kanina, nakarinig na kami ng ambulansya. And meron pa kaming high alert. Yung sa message, di ba, pag may lindol or something. Dito may ganon, high alert. Call 112 if you have ganun kasi nga about sa fireworks kasi nga grabe ang fireworks pala dito. Meron dito, pakita ko sa inyo, ilalagay ko dito yung ano dito, yung parang high alert, something ganyan. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Guys!
Happy New Year! Grabe. Parang mga bangengi. Lasing na ba? Lasing ka ba, Le? Pagod ka na.
No.
No?
Okay, you know what? If you want to prove it,
Tulog na ikaw.
no.
Hey, Sydney.
Happy New Year, guys!
Maganda.
And, grabe, churo. Halata na ba, bangengi na si Yami. And like, halika mo na dito. Down. Say, I thank you for all our followers.
Thank you for all of our
And sana maganda ang New Year nyo. And happy and good health. Wala sanang na-aksidente sa paputok. Dito sa Netherlands, magsasawa ka sa kakapanood ng fireworks. Di ba, Lek?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Han, how's your first New Year in the Netherlands?
Very thirsty.
Berters, how's the fireworks?
Dame.
Ang dami-dami. Dami-dami fireworks sa Alec. Sa Alec ka sa Alec, nasuya ng manood, guys.
Yeah.
Pumasok na lang dito. Ay, anyway. Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, Alec. Cheers, guys. Happy New Year, ulit. And God bless us all. So today is January 1.
January 2.
No, it's January 1, anak.
Look.
Check, it's January 1. It's New Year. Oh,
Huh?
confused si Alex. So,
My iPad says it's January.
actually, it's windy, raining too much. It doesn't show in the camera. But it's actually good kasi last night, just ko 3 a.m. na. Ang lakas pa rin ng mga fireworks. How are you, Alex? Happy
Good,
New Year.
guys. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So, kagabi, buti ito, nakatulog yung bata. Si Mami, hindi. Grabe. Walang tatalo sa fireworks sa Netherlands. In the news, nakalagay, Netherlands reached 129 million euro. They reached that one, the sale in fireworks. Ay, yung iba sa Germany, sa Belgium pa bumibili. Grabe. Anyway, I like it. It's a new year.
Happy. And later we're gonna do confetti.
Confetti, yeah.
Yeah.